testosterone. Even the word sounds powerful, doesn't it? And for good reason. This hormone is crucial for men, impacting everything from muscle mass and strength to energy levels, mood, and even sex drive. But here's the thing, testosterone levels naturally decline with age. This can lead to a whole host of unwanted symptoms like fatigue, low mood, and even difficulty building muscle. But don't worry, there's good news. You don't have to just accept this decline. There are natural, effective ways to boost your testosterone levels and reclaim your vitality. We're not talking about dangerous shortcuts or questionable supplements. We're talking about making simple, sustainable lifestyle changes that can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. Think of it like this. Your body is a finely tuned machine. Just like a car needs the right fuel and regular maintenance to run smoothly, your body needs the right nutrients, exercise, and rest to function at its best. By making a few key adjustments, you can optimize your body's natural testosterone production and experience a surge in energy, strength, and overall vitality. So if you're ready to take control of your health and reignite your inner powerhouse, keep reading. We're about to unlock the secrets to boosting your testosterone naturally and permanently.
Let's talk about exercise, specifically strength training. This isn't just about bulking up at the gym, though that's a nice bonus. Strength training is about challenging your muscles and sending a powerful signal to your body to produce more testosterone. It's like flipping a switch that activates your inner testosterone factory. Think compound exercises that work for multiple muscle groups at once. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, overhead presses. These are your new best friends. Don't be afraid to lift heavy. You want to challenge your muscles to stimulate that testosterone production. But remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 2 to 3 strength training sessions per week, allowing your muscles adequate rest in between. And don't neglect proper form. Focus on quality over quantity, and don't be afraid to ask for help from a certified personal trainer if you're new to lifting weights. By incorporating strength training into your routine, you're not just building muscle, you're boosting your testosterone, firing up your metabolism, and building a stronger, more resilient you.
Now, let's talk about something we all love. Sleep. It's not just about feeling rested, it's about giving your body the time it needs to repair, rebuild, and yes, produce testosterone. Think of sleep as your body's nightly testosterone recharge. During deep sleep, your body experiences a surge in growth hormone and testosterone production, but skimp on sleep, and you're essentially shortchanging your body of these vital hormones. Chronic sleep deprivation can lead to a significant drop in testosterone levels, leaving you feeling drained, sluggish, and far from your best. So prioritize those Z's. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. Make your bedroom a sleep sanctuary. Dark, cool, and quiet. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. Disconnect from electronics at least an hour before bed and avoid caffeine and alcohol before sleep. Remember, quality sleep is an investment in your health and your hormones. Give your body the rest it deserves, and you'll reap the rewards in the form of increased testosterone, improved energy levels, and enhanced overall well-being.
Section 5. Stress less, testosterone more. Let's face it, life can be stressful. But here's the thing. Chronic stress is more than just a mental strain. It takes a toll on your physical health, including your testosterone levels. When you're constantly stressed, your body produces cortisol, the stress hormone. And guess what? Cortisol and testosterone are like oil and water. They just don't mix well. High cortisol levels can actually suppress testosterone production. So what's the solution? Stress management. Find healthy ways to cope with stress and give your body a break from the constant cortisol surge. This could involve mindfulness meditation. Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breath, observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment, and cultivate a sense of inner peace. Yoga is another great option. This ancient practice combines physical postures with deep breathing and meditation, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. And don't forget about spending time in nature. There's something inherently calming about being surrounded by nature. Take a walk in the park, sit by the ocean, or simply step outside and breathe in the fresh air. By incorporating stress-reducing practices into your daily routine, you'll not only feel calmer and more centered, but you'll also be creating a more favorable hormonal environment for testosterone production.
Section 6. The Alcohol-Testosterone Equation. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Alcohol. We all enjoy a cold beer or a glass of wine now and then, but excessive alcohol consumption can wreak havoc on your testosterone levels. Alcohol interferes with your body's delicate hormonal balance, leading to a decrease in testosterone production. Think of it like this. Your liver is responsible for metabolizing alcohol. When you drink too much, your liver is so busy dealing with the alcohol that it doesn't have the capacity to efficiently produce testosterone. Plus, alcohol can increase estrogen levels in men, further disrupting the hormonal balance. The good news is that you don't have to give up alcohol entirely. Moderation is key. If you choose to drink, do so responsibly and in moderation. Stick to the recommended guidelines of no more than 2 drinks per day for men. By being mindful of your alcohol intake, you can maintain a healthy hormonal balance and support optimal testosterone production.
Section 7. Zinc and Magnesium, the Testosterone Boosting Duo. Let's talk about 2 essential minerals that often fly under the radar but play a crucial role in testosterone production, zinc and magnesium. Think of zinc as the spark plug for testosterone production. It's an essential mineral that's involved in numerous enzymatic reactions in the body, including the conversion of cholesterol to testosterone. Zinc deficiency can lead to a significant drop in testosterone levels, so it's essential to ensure you're getting enough of this vital mineral. Now let's talk about magnesium, the relaxation mineral. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle function, nerve transmission, and yes, testosterone production. Magnesium deficiency is surprisingly common, and it can manifest as fatigue, muscle cramps, and even low mood. The good news is that you can easily boost your zinc and magnesium intake through your diet. Include these testosterone-boosting foods in your meals. Zinc-rich foods like oysters, red meat, poultry, beans, nuts, and seeds. And for magnesium, look to leafy green vegetables, beans, lentils, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and dark chocolate. By incorporating plenty of zinc and magnesium-rich foods into your diet, you'll be providing your body with the essential building blocks it needs for optimal testosterone production.
Section 8. The 4-minute testosterone transformation. Your journey begins now. So there you have it. We've uncovered the secrets to naturally boosting your testosterone levels and reclaiming your vitality. Remember, it's not about quick fixes or magic pills. It's about making simple, sustainable lifestyle changes that add up to big results. Start by incorporating strength training into your routine. Prioritize quality sleep, fuel your body with a nutrient-dense diet, manage stress effectively, moderate your alcohol intake, and boost your zinc and magnesium intake. These small changes can have a profound impact on your testosterone levels, your energy, your mood, and your overall well-being.
But here's the thing, this is just the beginning. In our next article, we'll delve deeper into the world of testosterone optimization, exploring advanced techniques and cutting-edge strategies to take your testosterone levels to new heights. We'll uncover the secrets to maximizing your body's natural testosterone production, unlocking a level of vitality you never thought possible.
So stay tuned. This is your journey to unleashing your full potential. Are you ready to take the next step?